Hey everyone, it's Greg again from D-Link, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Mydlink Lite app for your iPhone. Now in this example, I'm using the iPhone 4S using the latest iOS version 6.1.3. But if you have a newer iPhone or slightly older OS, you could follow these steps. They should be exactly the same. Now the first thing we need to do is go in and download the app. So to do that, we need to go to the App Store. So we're just going to click on the App Store icon on your home screen. From there, we're just going to do a search for it. So down at the bottom, we're going to click on search. And up in the search box, we're going to type in Mydlink. It should automatically fill in some results for you. We're going to select the Mydlink Lite. From here, it's the first one. We're just going to click on the install button here, and it will start the install. Might just take a few seconds depending on your connection. Once it's installed, you'll get the open button there, or you can click on the Mydlink Lite icon on your home screen. That will bring you into the Mydlink Lite app. From here, it's going to ask you for your username and password, or email and password. So we're going to go ahead and enter my password in here. Click on sign in. Again, just take a few seconds to sign in. It's going to load up your account, and all of your cameras or all your Mydlink devices will be shown here. From there, you just click on the camera or router that you want to see, and that's it.